one and all. Today I am going to teach you one unique and exclusive recipe. This is specially from the central Maharashtra, that is the pumpkin bonda. I personally like pumpkin very much, and this recipe has been adopted from my grandmother to my mother, and finally it is like my recipe. So let's get started with the ingredients. Talking about the ingredients, we require very few things, and those are all available easily in your kitchen. I have taken 2 bowls of wheat flour. So wheat flour is very healthy. Next is the boiled pumpkin. This is 200 gram of boiled pumpkin. You can boil this pumpkin and remove the cover. I have removed the cover and kept it like that. From my masala box, I will be using salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. And you can also add fresh coriander. I have chopped this coriander and I will be mixing into the batter. Let's move toward the batter making process. Take a bigger bowl so that you can mix the ingredients well. Put the pumpkin. Remember here that you have to mix the wheat flour forming a thick consistency. I will explain it how to make that. Mix it properly. You have to make your hands a little dirty. Now I am going to add salt. Salt you should add as per taste. Little bit of turmeric powder. Half a tablespoon is enough. Remember here that pumpkin is little bit sweet, and if you want to make your bonda spicy, you can add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I am adding here 1 tablespoon of chili powder. It is completely your choice. This is cumin seeds. The chopped coriander. Mix it well. So you can see the consistency should be like this. If you feel like it is very smooth, then you can add little bit of wheat flour and you can start preparing the bondas. The batter is now ready. Now I am going to start preparing the bondas. So for that, I have taken a wok or a kadhai. Turn on the flame. Once the kadhai is heated up, we will put little bit of oil. It's now time to put oil. I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to put the bondas now. It can be of any shape. Don't worry about the shape. What matters is the taste. So, generally, these bondas will be made a little flat, the flat version only. So you can make any shape. You have to keep the gas flame on medium, because if you make it high, then there are chances of burning the bonda. So remember that thing. You can keep checking in between. Time to flip the bondas the other side. Has turned nice golden brown. Be careful while doing this process, especially for the new cooks. Now that the pumpkin bondas are ready, I just can't wait to eat them because it is my favorite. And And actually it is any of the chutney you can take. It's completely your choice. I have taken here mint mayonnaise, but actually the bondas are so yummy that you don't require anything along with it. You can see the colors and the flavors and see how nice it is looking. It's little bit oily, but you can make use of tissues, and sometimes eating a little extra oil is fine, I think so, for such a yummy delicacy. And talking about the fast facts of pumpkin that I would always suggest is, it is very nutrient and it promotes your weight loss. It is good for your eyesight and low in calories. So whenever you are having a rainy season or whenever you are feeling like having a small snack, then you can just make this recipe quickly and enjoy munching it. So thank you so much. Keep trying my fusion recipes. Stay healthy, remain healthy, and please support and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.